Hey, what's up everyone? It's Eric from Rollwalk. By now, you should have a good idea of what the W3 is from the previous video. So let's dive into the next part. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to put on and get up on the W3, especially if you are a first timer. First thing first, let's adjust those Velcro straps to make sure they fit just right. Get those two shoes on correctly, and then you are good to go. Once you power on the remote, make sure to check if both shoes are paired with it. Look for those two blinking triangles on the screen to confirm the pairing. The Ear W3 comes with 4 speed levels: low, medium, high, and pro. For all you newbies out there, I highly recommend starting with low or medium speed. Safety first, right? The pro speed level can go up to a blazing 20 miles per hour, like say a 140 pound you. But let's take it slow and steady for your first time, okay? Now, once you are all set with those shoes on, to safely ascend up, push the drive gear towards the brake. When you do that, the built-in hall sensor will engage the electronic brake, locking those two motor wheels. Even a beginner with zero rowing experience, don't worry, you will find it super easy to stand steady and confident. So remember to start with a comfortable speed level and engage electronic brake before standing up for a safe and smooth ride. Enjoy your experience, everyone. Surely don't forget to read the manual before and wearing protective gear when you take the first try. And if you encounter any issues during use, just feel free to contact us. Thank you all for your patience and attention.